Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, NaturallyAds on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm coming with another hair video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a wash and go using a new product. The new product is the gel, and it's the Shine and Jam Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. So in this video, I'm basically showing you guys how I achieved my wash and go. I'm not talking through everything. I'm just showing you guys how I did it, but I will be doing a video of a week in my wash and go, and in that video I'll be talking about how I style it each day in the week, and then I'll talk about how I like the product and how it held up for the week. Okay, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already before you leave, and I'll let you guys go ahead and enjoy this video.
I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. Oh yeah, baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You they drive me mad like damn for, yeah. Tell me, can I be your Eminado, yeah. Mama Jack come up, baby, yeah. I say, waiting they want from us. Make you no send anyone but us. You ask me, waiting I want just love. You ask me, waiting I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past your body. And now they thank God for your mommy. And if you see the thing where she carry, she be the type of girl I want marry. I wanna marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that thing. Marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby, baby. I don't go better, mole. Oh, yeah, dance here slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go better, mole. Oh, yeah, dance here slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I don't go very mole. Oh, yeah, dance here slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go very mole. Oh, yeah, dance here slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. Oh yeah, baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You they drive me mad like damn for, yeah. Tell me, can I be your Eminado, yeah. Mama Jack come up, baby, yeah. I say, waiting they want from us. Make you no send anyone but us. You ask me, waiting I want just love. You ask me, waiting I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past your body. And now they thank God for your mommy. And if you see the thing where she carry, she be the type of girl I want marry. I wanna marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that thing. Maria because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that. I might buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby, baby. I don't go better, mole. Oh, yeah, dance, yeah, slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see, I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go better, mole. Oh, yeah, dance, yeah, slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see, I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I don't go very mole. Oh, yeah, dance, yeah, slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see, I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go very mole. Oh, yeah, dance, yeah, slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see, I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. Oh yeah, baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You they drive me mad like damn for, yeah. Tell me, can I be a eminado, yeah. Mama Jack come up, baby, yeah. I say, waiting they want from us. Make you no send anyone but us. You ask me, waiting I want just love. You ask me, waiting I want just love. I'ma get you know you find past in your body. And now they thank God for your mommy. And if you see the thing where she...
So there you have it. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Sorry that I have a headphone in and I'm chewing gum. I was on the phone while I was filming this outro. But yeah, anyways. So this is the finished result. Obviously my hair is not wet, which is why you can see the residue still in my hair, but I just wanted to show you guys the end of that day how my hair was looking. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought of this gel, or if you've used it before for wash and go or anything else. Let me know how it was for you, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.
She be the type of girl I want marry. I wanna marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that thing. Marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that. I wanna buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby.